Add this background. You can screenshot this. Now add a green screen. Remove the BG. Resize the video. Copy the green screen. Select Adjust and Curves. Copy my settings. Slightly move to the right.
Select the original green screen video to bring it to the front.
Add effect for the white layer. Blur effect.
Select Object to Pip. Select the BG and adjust. Same for the green screen. You can copy my settings or skip this. Add chromatic blur. Now export. Add the exported clip. Add the audio and add beats. Sometimes the auto beat is not perfect, so manual is good. Cut the clips to the beat. Add one keyframe at beginning and zoom it. Add one at ending. Now go to middle and zoom out. Same but opposite for next clip. No zoom in beginnings, zoom in the middle. Repeat the process. Add this graph. For ending, add this. Same for every clip. Now it's 50% done. Add effect in beats and shake interval 0. For not Inshot Pro user, add normal shake at shake section. If you want Inshot Pro, comment below. Now make it shorter and add it for all clip. Decrease the intensity. I accidentally added more power. Now add another effect called node in shake section. Make it much smaller. Add to all clips. Add another effect called cam shake. Add another called tremble. Intensity 0. It's done. If this helps you, no need to subscribe, or like I just wanted to teach about Inshot. You can add some motion blur to it to make it smoother in CapCut or any other apps.